some simple exercises to strengthen your grip. All right, so grab a rubber band. You can start with that, and you're just going to go in and out with those hands, with those fingers, in and out. You can always add a rubber band when you get stronger, and you can continue to add rubber bands. But add this exercise where you bring one finger to the thumb and open, and you can alternate, open all, and then do singles. All right, now you're gonna grab your hand gripper and you're just gonna squeeze. I always think about starting out with 25, and then you can always increase that. Now, your non-dominant hand might be weaker, especially for these really strong grippers. So you can always add your other hand, and help it just a little bit until it gets stronger. You can always grab a softer gripper to start out with, or always just to have around to just kind of squeeze here and there. You can keep it in your car or where's convenient for you. All right, so then you're gonna grab a bar of some sort, either a broom or a water bottle, and you're gonna go down and in with those wrists. You can start with 10, then you're gonna go up, and you can start with 10, and then you're gonna go vertical with the wrist, single, and you got it. You're gonna go opposite, you're gonna go down, and you can start with 10 reps and increase each time. All right, so just to recap, you can try all of these exercises, work them into your weekly workout regimen, and you will see a massive difference in your grip strength and how you feel in the air. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.